How to add your own custom music to Instagram story. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our third-party app or an editor app like InShot. And then we just have to click on video plus new. Now we can select a video, let's say right here. So what we're going to do to add our own custom music to this video right here is to click on audio and then click on record. So we just have to record the audio that we have right now or our own custom music. So all we have to do is to hit on check. And now we have added our own custom music to this video. So we just have to hit on check and then export. Now once that's done, we just have to go to our Instagram. We just have to hit on story and then add the video that we have exported right here. And if you listen to that audio that you have made, it will automatically have your own custom music to Instagram. So to share that, all you have to do is to click on this button right here and then share. So that's how to add your own custom music to Instagram story. Hope we help.